Hello everyone. Today we'll do the second chapter of Movements, The Adventure of Toto. Adventure of Toto is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an eminent contemporary Indian writer of British descent. He prolifically authored inspiring children's books and has awarded Sahitya Akademi Award for his literature work. During his school life, he won several prizes for writing competition, including Haley Literature Work and Irving's Divinity Prize. Some of other notable work seems to be A Blue Umbrella, A Flight of Pigeons, and Funny Side Up. Now, moving on to the story. This whole story, Adventure of Toto, is all about narrator's grandfather's fondness and likeness for animals. He bought a baby monkey from a Tonga driver and he named as a Toto. He wanted Toto because he possessed with other animals, like he had a tortoise, a pair of rabbit, a tame squirrel, a goat and a donkey, but had not Toto. With the arrival of Toto at his place, his mini zoo has been transformed into a real zoo. Now, as the whole story pivots around a Toto, a monkey, I wanted to add some of his appearance about the Toto. Toto is a pretty animal. He has bright eyes that sparkle with mischiefs. His pearly teeth frighten the Anglo-Indian women when he smiles. Moreover, his hands are totally dried up, as he had just put under the sun or pickled under the sun. He is quick with his fingers, and everything he do it very quickly. Whatever he lived in a wicked manner. Moreover, he is having a small tail that enhances his beauty. He is so curious in nature that he seems to be a mischievous animal in this whole story. Now I'll add on to some mischievous activities that he had done this in grandfather's place. Now finally, when Toto was there at his grandfather's place, he was kept as a secret from the grandmother, who hated animals. There, he kept Toto in a small little closet in narrator's room, which opened into the narrator's room. When Toto was placed in the narrator's room, there he tore the blazer of the narrator. Moreover, he just destroyed the wallpapers over there. Finally, what happened? One day when grandfather wants to go to Saharanpur to collect his pension, there he just carried his notorious Toto with him. He put the Toto into his bag, which is made of a strong canvas. When the grandfather carried the Toto, when the grandfather was there, he was supposed to producing his tickets at the turns while there all of a sudden Toto poked his head out of the bag and gave a wide grin to the ticket collector. There what happened? Ticket collector charged for the same to the grandfather, as he purchased that Toto for 5 rupees and he has to pay a ticket of rupees 3 to the ticket collector. Moreover, as I told you that Toto seems to be of a curious nature. One day what happened, students, he himself was nearly burned while he jumped into the hot boiling water in a large kitchen kettle, which was placed on the fire to boil for the tea. It was the grandmother who rescued him and saved his life. Not only this, other mischievous activities of the Toto. One day, when the grandfather everyone was there in the dining room, grandmother placed a plate of plow on the dining table. When the Toto saw the plate of this plow on the dining table, he immediately attacked on the plate. And the moment he started eating, the grandmother starts screaming. The way he screamed, the Toto just threw the plate on the grandmother's face towards grandmother and a glass of water towards the maid. Hearing to all this, when grandfather entered, the Toto just picked the plate and ran through the window to the jackfruit tree. He climbed over the jackfruit tree and he sat on the branch. When he finished his plate, he just threw the plate down. Looking into this, when finally they thought it's quite difficult to place the Toto at home. Now they thought as the day passed, the mischievous activity of the Toto didn't listen. They thought that they should return back to the main owner, that is Tonga driver. Finally they returned this Toto to the Tonga driver and they had a sigh of relief in the end. So here the story ends of the adventure of Toto. Thank you.